Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for you guys to smash that like button, and if it's your first time here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a single video and you're up to date on our chart analysis here with 42 Vision. So DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp, has started to run since the 8th on Friday of last week, and it continued to run today, and we're going to break down why it's going higher, what the articles are showing, and what the charts are showing as well. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was actually mentioned over at the Discord from our Tesla bot. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edge and clarity over the charts with 42 Vision, check out the link down below in the description to our Discord, getting connected to the bots, as well as our 42 Vision indicators. Now, the stocks I mentioned this morning gave jumps of 5 to 10%, 10% plus, but our home run of the day turned out to be from our Tesla bot, and our Tesla bot sent out a bear indicator since 7:05 a.m. and from that moment forward, the stock went into weakness towards the bell, and even after the bell, and put options went up 100% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edge and clarity over the charts, the link is down below in the description to the Discord and getting connected over to our 42 Vision indicators. We look forward to having you join us, and as always, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. And let's jump into these charts. So here we are with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp, and it's had 2 days back to back of full strength. Now I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with DWAC under a bull indicator since Friday, since around $24.04. Things went up in the aftermarket hours, and today it's fighting to continue to go higher. Now, the stock went higher after it went and released news on the 7th in the aftermarket hours and throughout the day about the information of a new release and updates on the Truth Social platform. But another thing that created even further spiral over the weekend into the close of Friday and into today's pre-market and continuation after the bell is this news right here. Why the Trump-tied stock Digital World Acquisition is rising. And they state here how Elon Musk on Friday filed to terminate his proposed deal with Twitter. Now, indirectly, this was going to create competition between Elon Musk and DWAC, right? Because Elon Musk, his purpose was to try to create a Twitter where there was more freedom of speech, right? And that was going to create a conflict and a battle when it comes to competition between Twitter, which is already founded and formed, and then DWAC with Truth Social trying to build itself from the ground up and kind of taking away the uniqueness of the whole purpose of Truth Social. Now, the fact that Elon Musk is trying to back out and terminate his proposed deal, it brings the light back towards allowing DWAC to shine. And you could see this other article here as well. Why is Digital World DWAC stock roaring higher today? And they talk about how it's going to be a merger with Trump Media Group Technology Group, and then also their application Truth Social to bring it public. And then we had the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, agreeing to buy since April Twitter for $44 billion. Now, on July 8th, a few months later, he has disclosed to the SEC in a filing that he is not going to abide by his deal to buy Twitter because of his doubts with the accuracy of the company's data. So this is allowing DWAC to get the spotlight again, right? As we see it. And that's what these articles are stating. And here we have it showing in the charts since Friday, after that update that they shared And that was the first article bringing positive news to DWAC. And then now the fact that Twitter no longer is going to be able to compete with it, because the uniqueness of DWAC is the freedom of speech that Elon Musk was trying to buy Twitter for, to bring that towards Twitter. And now that is gone. What will be interesting is if Elon Musk participates or becomes part of Truth Social. That is speculation, not financial advice, not correct or factual data. This is just my opinion alone, my perspective. And as I always state, this is not financial advice. This is just what I see, what the charts are showing, and you guys make your own rational decisions and think about what you see and what these articles are implying at the given moment and what it could mean in the future. And right now, the one thing that's going to be a huge catalyst is if Elon Musk doesn't want to participate with Twitter and ends up wanting to participate somewhere else, right? Even if it's not Truth Social. He even speculated of creating his own platform. So we'll have to see how this is going to play out. Right now, DWAC is getting the spotlight, and the first support level I'll be watching is down here at 2660s, and the resistance level is up here at 3082. If 3082 gets broken through, that is a key resistance level in the history of the chart, and the next level will be up at 35 and then back up towards $38. Those are the key levels to the upside. To the downside, if 26 gets broken through, the next support I'm watching is down here at $25. Now, on the 30-minute, yes, we're under a bull indicator, but I'm going to be watching 42 vision as we're leaving this dip area here and going into this rip area, and we're under a bull indicator if this could continue to break through resistance levels, because this is a complete transition based off 42 vision, right? If we hit white with red borders, there tends to be reversals shortly after. You could see it right here. And then once we hit the rip area, which is bright green, we're still in the process of it, but it could end or continue, and it's followed by a bull indicator, we tend to have slight jumps, right, and reversals, and that's what we're in right now. But from white with red borders to bright green, that is a complete transition in 42 vision, and I'm going to be watching that very carefully. That's what 42 vision allows us to see. The dips from the rips, and when the rips are ending and possibly coming back down, especially if the bull indicator gets canceled out by a bear indicator like it did right here. Now, right now, this was a low that we have not seen in a while, where it hit recently, and that was down here at around $21. So very interesting position that the stock is in right now in the last several days and weeks, but on the 4-hour, complete transition. Now, on the 1 day though, things have just gotten out of a dip area. It's still under a bear indicator, so that needs to get canceled out by a bull indicator in the possible upward trend and continuation of strength. So right now, there's no bull indicator, and I'm going to be watching if it comes up and cancels out this bear indicator. If not, within this volatility, this bear indicator is going to continue to dominate. But back to the 30-minute, we're in full strength here from the dip area to the rip area, and those are the key levels I'm going to be watching. $26 to the downside, and to the upside $30.83. And if 26 gets broken through, down here at 25, and to the upside I'm going to be watching up towards 35 and then upwards towards $38. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, and let's make some money.